What is up, everybody? We are back at it again. Holy crap, it's been a long day. I think I left the house at 12:30 and it's 8 o'clock and I'm not home yet, but we are on our way back to the house now. So, ladies and gentlemen, that side-by-side is gone. Finito, bye-bye, it's gone. Well, we have to get the title. So I pressed the submit button to get the title. So I haven't got the money yet, but we will get the money most likely tomorrow, or in 2 days or next week, depending on how the schedules work. But I'm gonna get that money. We're gonna make about, I'm not gonna tell y'all, but we made the money. We made some profit, and let's go try to make some profit on this KTM. I'm gonna do my best to make some money on the KTM. Hopefully we can make a few hundred there. And then hopefully we can at least come out even on the Vulcan. I'm hoping that we can come out on top with that Harley. So follow us on that journey, see what we can do, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Click that bid button. 706 street light here. Colton. Blew my hair back. Told you. Forward. Put it down the wind. Down 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. We got Leland in the back seat. Welcome back to KCee Motors. It's been a long time since I've recorded anything, but also we got some news. Let me turn this AC down, even though it's gonna be dumb hot. It's 105, right? 103 right now. But we just picked up another piece of inventory. We got a 2018 KTM 250. But we got it for the low. We got it for $2,000 under book. So that's killer. I think we can make some pretty good money on it. What do you think, Leland? What do you think? Think we'll make some good money on it? He said yeah. But yeah, so it's literally too hot to be talking to y'all without the AC on, so we're gonna get off of here. We'll see you guys next week whenever we actually start working on this thing. You guys saw in the last video, we sold the Harley and the 125. Made some really good money on those. We made blue faces, so shout out to the drive to Abilene, which you guys saw, and hopefully you guys went and watched the vlog of it on the YouTube channel of Westland and Wilkinson's, because that was fire as well. So hopefully you guys got to see the trip to Abilene. That bike made us big dollars on it, and that Husky, which took 30 minutes or so, made really good money as well. But we'll go over all these profits at some point. I'll sit down and go over them with you guys. Not today, not tomorrow, not the next video, but maybe in a few weeks, a few months, whenever I actually have a time and I actually can show you guys what it looks like. We'll sit down and talk numbers. But anyways, we're gonna get home, go home and make sure JC's okay. But other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one.